there, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm gonna sharing a tutorial of Candyswap, then how can you sell your Meer USDT token to USDT token and how to cross chain and so on. So let's get started. First of all, we will open the app CAF wallet. After opening the app, we can see the Meer mainnet dashboard. After clicking on the select mainnet, we will go to the Binance mainnet at first. As we have balance in Binance mainnet, we will transfer the balance into Qitmeer mainnet, Meer mainnet. To do so, first we need to go to the market section, then we need to click on cross chain. Then here the interface is the cross chain interface. Now we will select upper position in Binance USDT as we have balance Binance USDT. As you see, we have balance 20 USDT. Now we're gonna selecting the balance 15 USDT to transfer it Meer mainnet, Qitmeer mainnet. After selecting 15 USDT, click on cross chain. After clicking on cross chain, give your password that you have made when you open the CAF wallet. I am typing my password. Please wait for the confirmation. Okay, after completing the process, you can see after transferring $15 USDT in Binance chain to Qitmeer chain, there is $5 remaining. After then, we will go to the wallet section and then we will click on the mainnet section. Then we will go Qitmeer mainnet. As you see, we have just transferred our US dollar into Qitmeer mainnet. We can see our US dollar here. Now as you can see, there is 14.975 that we just transferred. Here we have already seen. Now our main theme appeared, that to using Candyswap. To using Candyswap, we need to go to the discover section, then type here. Then you need to type www.candyswap.network, just like this. Then click on the search button, press on confirm. Now I'm clicking on confirm. Okay, here you can see the exchange swap interface. Here you can see the Meer token and USDT. So first we will just convert our BS USDT to Meer USDT just before, and now we can see the $15 Meer USDT here. Now if we want to sell our Meer USDT to convert it Meer token, we just selecting our USDT balance of Meer, then click on enable USDT. Click on confirm, typing your password. It will take some time to be confirmed. Okay, after waiting some time, you need to click on USDT balance. Then you can see the conversion rate of Qitmeer based on USDT. Now click on swap. Click on confirm swap. Click on confirm. Then again give your password. Now you can close the Candyswap and go to the main dashboard. Now you can see the 40 Meer token has been added in my wallet. Now my total token is showing 50 point something. Again, if we want to sell our Meer token and to transform it Meer USDT, we need to go to about the discover process and go to the same procedure. We will confirm, then we will select again like 45 Meer token, and we will see the equivalent USDT balance. Now click on confirm. confirm swap, confirm. Now giving your password again. Now wait for some time. Then cross check Candyswap and go to the main wallet. As you see in the dashboard, the USDT balance is showing 16 point something and the Meer balance is showing 5 point something. So we have already seen how to transfer your Meer mainnet token to USDT, and the same procedure you can transfer your Meer USDT balance to Meer token. Again, if you convert your Meer token into the BSC network, then you need to go to the market section, cross chain section. Now you need to the upper position the Meer token. As you have 16 point something USDT in Meer mainnet, you suppose you will transfer 16.5 16.67 USDT of Meer mainnet to BSC mainnet USDT. Then you need to click on cross chain. In the same way, you need to submit your password. After waiting some time, the transformation will be completed. It will take some time to be completed. Now you can see we have 5 USDT dollar. The procedure will take some time so that the dollar hasn't appeared yet. So we will wait. The 16 point something dollar will be added here. Okay, finally after waiting few times, we can see your balance in BSC network. Just we have converted our 16 point something balance from Qitmeer USDT to BSC USDT. Here you can see 15 point something balance has been just added. So this is our tutorial. Thank you.